Come on, man, give me a picture.
I get so blurry because I go like that. Oh, wrong hand.
We need to take
Can't
a
see that.
video of us shuffling next time.
Oh lord, I suck at shuffling.
Okay, so I'm Christy.
I'm Naya,
It's Christy and Naya show.
obviously.
Yeah. So you clicked on us, and the topic for the day is helicopter cops.
And
I think that's what they're
videos.
called.
Helicopter cops? Really? Really?
Okay, so it's like
4.
it's 4 in the morning,
Ooh, gotta pee.
and not too long ago there were cops in helicopters searching for someone around my house.
Or cheetah.
Yes. So that's you could comment on the bottom. Yeah, on the bottom. What do you think it was? Do you think it was a criminal that they were searching for?
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, it's dark in here, man. Okay, so do you think it's a criminal they were searching for, or
A cheetah?
An escaped animal from the zoo? Searchlights, cop cars running around.
Huh?
So yeah, I personally think it was a criminal. I don't know why they're in this part of town, but you know, it was a criminal. She says the zoo and the Bronx Zoo is like miles away.
I didn't say it had to be the zoo. I'm saying it could have been an animal. Somebody could have been hoarding animals.
They're gonna hoard cheetahs.
Yes!
Well, there you have it, folks.
Illegally.
There you have it, folks. I know someone who has a snake. A big snake.
Well, snakes are usually like kept.
Like big giant.
Cheetahs aren't, but it's possible. It's like saying unicorns don't exist.
We need a theme song.
We do.
Yeah, we do. So you could leave a comment about which song you think we should use, or if
Or
we
what
should come
we
up
should
with
do.
our own. You know, be creative or something. But you know, she's not really here that much, so I'll probably just be putting videos of like us on webcam or something.
Yeah.
We see different perspectives. She looks like a creeper all the way back.
I don't like my face being seen that much.
Like a creeper.
I touch your towel.
Oh, we need to find a song. Let's find it.
Oh, I have it on my
You guys
iPad
need to
saved.
listen to it. You do?
Yes.
That should be our theme song.
Want to tell them about that?
Oh, yeah. So he was watching some random stick figure thing on YouTube. You know, the thing you're on right now. And he started dancing to some song. And he's like, ooh, you touched my talala. And we found the song. And it's like really catchy. You should listen to it. And you would like dance and stuff.
You would love it. If you're watching it.
Oh, did they just make a video thing? Let's see if they can see it.
Too bright. Oh, actually.
They actually look like that. It's not their camera.
That's my talala. You touch my collar. Yeah, it has a whole song. It's like 4 minutes. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, well, you should. Stop.
I'm gonna. It's a funny song.
You should look up that song. It's hilarious. You know, because, Naya, guess what?
What?
I touched your talala.
Ooh.
Your
touched
ding
my
ding ding. Your ding ding dong.
You
You
gotta-
just stare
you gotta-
blankly at the camera.
You wanna play the video now?
What video? Oh, this video that we're recording. Oh.
Sure.
Okay, well, bye. Wait, theme song ending.
Really? As soon as I lock my
We're
screen.
getting used to this. We're getting used to this. We're new. That's not the song, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, I got used to the
Hold
thing.
on. Hold on. You gotta hold on. Bear with me, people.
Hold on. My ding ding dong. Okay, next time record this from the iPad so you get better.
Yeah.
Because my it sucks.
Touch my talala.
Bye.
Bye.